In my Onshape document, different elements such as part studios or assemblies are organized into tabs along the bottom edge. If I hover with my mouse over a tab, you'll see a thumbnail of the tab that let me know what's inside. If I right-click on a tab, you'll get a context menu that allow you to do things like rename or duplicate or even delete the particular element that's in the tab. If I want to start a new element, I can click on the plus on the tab bar and choose Part Studio, Assembly, Drawing, or I can create a folder to organize the different tabs. If I have lots of tabs, I may need to use the Tab Manager on the end of the tab bar. When you open this, you can view all of the elements that are in this document. I can view them by name. I can view them with information that includes a thumbnail. You can filter them according to the type of file that they are, or you can search them by name.